Now to add a Godaddy domain in Vercel. First off, guys, you need to go ahead into your Godaddy account and of course make sure that you have a registered domain in here. Then if you wish to add it, of course you'll have to copy its address and then we will insert it in the Vercel project. So you go to my account on Godaddy in here and then you press on domains. And in here from this list, if you have any domains purchased, you can just copy the domain address and then just simply navigate to Vercel, choose which project you wish to add this domain to. Say for example, I will add it to this one. Then in here, just press on domains. And in here, you can just buy a domain. In our case, we will just add one. So press on add a domain and the address you've copied from here, from the list of registered domains on Godaddy, you just insert it in here. Choose if you want to add it to an environment or not. And after that, just press on save. And after that, your domain is successfully added on Vercel and ready to be used. Enjoy. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell to not miss the new uploads.